I'm Jennifer Baing, and on this episode of Niugini, we explore the foods of Finschafen district of Morobe Province. Come with me as we explore the local delicacies from the islands to the highlands of this beautiful district.
Our culinary adventure starts at beautiful Tami Island. This picturesque island is an hour boat ride from Finschafen station along the northern coast of Morobe Province. Local guide and radio journalist Sarah Mumugao takes us on a food journey through her homeland of Finschafen district. I am amazed by the crystal clear waters that welcome us to the shores of Tami Island. As I walk up the beach, curious locals watch us enter the village. The Talabi family have been waiting for our arrival. Abiang Talabi is well known on Tami for her hospitality and cooking. Abiang and her husband greet us warmly and are eager to show us their island. The land area on Tami Island is small, so the community has to be very resourceful with their gardens and food assets. Abiang directs Sarah to show us a local kumu mosong or fig tree. I am told most of the vegetation on Tami is used for food purposes. Sarah explains what parts of the kumu mosong are used for cooking.
This plakaike bayumi cooking bayumi kisimla one pla diwai we only call him kumu moson.
Yes.
Okay, kumu moson and one pla diwai we sa kama gutru in Selo Island lo Tami. Kumu moson em ami pla sakaikai lip blongem na mi pla sakaikai kiao blongem one time.
Okay. All right, me look forward to that. Look, I this la kumu mosong ya. Nice prospect, yeah.
So now when me salimul mangi gwanta pla diwai na bol pikim kiao blong.
Okay.
Diwai kumu moson.
All right. Okay.
Na bayumi gola house na cooking.
Okay, me look forward to this la. All right.
Yeah, true.
Abiang begins her kumu mosong dish by making coconut milk. The coconut milk is poured into a clay pot and is lightly boiled on a fire. Abiang washes the kumu mosong figs and then smashes them with a stone. This is done so the fig can absorb the juices of the coconut milk and greens while cooking. Crushed binalau or tulip greens are placed in the pot with the figs and coconut milk to simmer.
So in Tami Island, people always share their food with each other. There's a school opening, and when guests are on the island, they will distribute whatever food is being shared amongst themselves with also the visitors. So here we have two wonderful food baskets that have been given to us by the school. We've opened up the food basket now, and as you can see, these are some delicious smoked fish and rice baskets where the young leaves of a coconut tree have been used to weave and filled with rice and cooked in coconut cream in a pot. So Abiang has finished cooking this delicious meal, and I'm about to try this kumu mosong kiao, the fruits of the fig tree. It's nice and salty, and it's got a smooth, slightly crunchy but potato-like consistency. It's just delicious.
Tami Islanders have developed an effective food preservation technique to store sago in times of need. Sago is made into hard balls which can last for a long period without deteriorating.
So Abiang, mi loke mo you boiling mol sago ya pinis na kala blongol different lilik ya. Also monem na